can see there, ATHIRAPPILLY.
Beautiful. I wish I had somebody to play with me. I have never seen a wild fig tree before in life. You will find a lot of Keralites here, more of locals. Good morning guys, Namaste and Namaskaram. I'm still in Kerala and today we have landed here in ATHIRAPPILLY. Now ATHIRAPPILLY became famous, quite famous in fact, after the movie Bahubali was shot here. You remember that waterfall scene where Prabhas, flies up kind of. So that is where this place got attention and it came on the tourist map immediately. I always thought that belonging to the hills, Himachal, I felt this is one of the best looking states in India. But having come here, I have मेरी गलतफहमी दूर हो गई है. Kerala is a mesmerizing place. Its topography, forest, flora and fauna. It is very intoxicating, I would say. I'm staying here in this property called Casa Rio. Now this is a 5-acre property facing the river and has abundance of flora and fauna. You can spot the kind of trees that you might not have seen before. Right behind me is this wild fig tree with huge leaves and its fruit hanging from not its branches but the tree bark itself. That is kind of very interesting. And then you have ample birds here. You can spot kind of hornbills, parrots, and you can hear the chirpings all around. So right now we are headed to the ATHIRAPPILLY waterfalls. So there are two ways to go. One is where you can actually go up till the water level. And one is where you see from the height of the falls. So without wasting any more time, let's just get going. We're trying to go near the waterfall from below. So there's another entry from our hotel. Let's see what kind of view do we get from here. I'm not too sure. I'm still trying.
To go there,
yeah.
Nobody knows this place.
So that's kind of a secret hideout.
Yeah, right.
So this is about 500 meters from my hotel. A walk, and this is what you get to see. As close as I could to the waterfall. It is kind of humid right now because the monsoons have already begun here in Kerala. It just rained, stopped, and it might just start raining again, you never know. The weather is pretty humid, garmi hai, but this is what soothes your soul. आज बहुत public है, so it's not going to be that, clear picture of the waterfalls. But still trying. You will find a lot of Keralites here, more of locals from Cochin, Thrissur and nearby places. Not many tourists from outside Kerala, you could say North India or otherwise, really come here. That's the tip of the waterfall, but obviously if you want to have a good view, you got to go down stairs. That's what I'm going to do right now. This place seems like a hot spot for bathing. यहाँ की गंगा है ये, most probably because everyone is bathing or washing and ये मुझे हरिद्वार ज़्यादा लग रहा है. So it's recommended that you don't come here on a weekend or a Sunday, especially when there are too many locals. But that's how it is. Every tourist place is full of people, especially after the COVID. And finally, when we decided to go down and have a closer look at the waterfall, monsoon की पहली बारिश ने दस्तक दी. बारिश 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा तक होती रही, and finally we had to drop the idea of going down. So we headed back to the hotel. और जब बारिश रुक गई तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि अपने होटल के बाहर जाकर इस जगह को और अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर किया जाए. So there is a river bath area around our hotel, which is a very scenic side to sit, relax and admire the surroundings. So this is the area on the other side of our resort where the waterfall ends up, or the water comes till here, and this is called the river bath area where people actually take bath, which I'm not going to right now because it's the evening time. But of course I'm going to sit back and relax here. Come. My trip to ATHIRAPPILLY was nothing short of this craving to go back again to it, even after having stayed here for 2 days. ये पहाड़, ये झरना, ये नदी, I mean it all adds up to the charm of the place and it beckons you to come back again, and I'm sure going to do that sometime in the future. Fire waterfalls. This is from where your Kali Mirchi comes, huh?